See, we're too tall. You're going down. See, I told you. I told you.
Dude, I can't keep my hands high enough because I'm too tall.
Yeah, we're so tall that it makes it like weird.
It's like I can feel like myself like shrinking.
I told you.
It feels like I'm shrinking.
It's the weirdest thing.
Like I can't. Like
we were saying, guys, when we were kids, we do these so much, but now that we're taller.
I want to look at your feet to do it. I guess I could just do it just like running in place almost.
You okay? God, we laughed.
I can't do it.
Hi. 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 Y'all, I found another baby. This is my second cousin, Logan. He's almost 4 months old. And he's precious. And he wants to nurse on my shoulder. But I'm not mom, his mom. Can't nurse this baby. But he's like, come on, lady. Clearly you like nursing. Like, come on. It's adorable. It's adorable.
Now I must work on my knife.
Buddy, you find a stick? Cool. Oh.
Yeah, stay away. Those are red ants.
Come on, Gregory. Good boy.
Okay, I'll return to mom.
We're on a nature walk. This is the land where my dad grew up, right, Dad?
Except there wasn't a house there then when I grew up.
Yeah.
This was just pasture.
That's a good aunt right there. Look at that aunt.
Watch out. Okay, move out.
Protecting her nephew.
Alright. There, thank you. Right there on the ground. There it goes. There it goes. I don't think you'll find it. Here, Chef, watch out. Watch out. There you go. There you go.
No, go away from people. I'm watching. I'm good. Watch out for your cousin.
No, you don't.
Really?
No.
I'm not a fan of Sophia and Fire, Kyle.
Yes, you do.
Wow, Sophie! What we're gonna do.
I think you can turn it a little bit too.
Oh,
Turn the whole thing.
that's perfect.
Got more, Sophie, and then you're almost done. That's the kind of great. What? What's your guys? Try a big bite. Alright.
Really, really hot. What's that? Yeah. Who is next?